Today I am reviewing Lenovo ThinkPad E16. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 is one of the most powerful and versatile business laptops available today. Designed for professionals, students, and creators who demand high performance, this laptop delivers a perfect balance of speed, reliability, and functionality. From the moment you open the box, it is clear that Lenovo has crafted a machine that is built for productivity. The heart of the ThinkPad E16 is the Intel Core Ultra 5 125U processor. With 12 cores and 14 threads, this processor delivers exceptional multitasking capabilities. It reaches speeds up to 4.3 GHz, enabling it to handle heavy workloads with ease. Whether you are running demanding business applications, editing videos, working with large datasets, or simply multitasking across multiple programs, this laptop performs flawlessly without slowing down. Lenovo claims that this processor beats even some Intel Core i7 models, and in real-world usage, it delivers on that promise with smooth, responsive performance. One of the standout features of this model is the massive 64GB of DDR5 RAM. This level of memory is exceptional for a business laptop and allows for extreme multitasking without any slowdown. You can have dozens of applications and browser tabs open simultaneously, work with large files, or even run virtual machines without a hitch. Complementing this is the enormous 2TB PCIe SSD. Not only does this provide more than enough space for all your documents, media, and software, but it also ensures incredibly fast boot times and lightning-quick access to your files. The display is another highlight of the ThinkPad E16. The 16-inch WUXGA display offers a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, giving you sharp visuals and a spacious workspace. The 16:10 aspect ratio is ideal for productivity, offering extra vertical space for documents, spreadsheets, and web browsing. The IPS technology provides excellent color accuracy and viewing angles, while TV low blue light certification helps reduce eye strain, which is a critical feature for those who spend long hours working at their laptop. Security and usability are core strengths of the ThinkPad line, and the E16 does not disappoint. It comes with a built-in fingerprint reader for fast and secure logins. The full-size backlit keyboard is comfortable and responsive, perfect for long typing sessions in any lighting condition. Lenovo also includes a privacy shutter for the FHD webcam, allowing you to physically block the camera when it's not in use, a simple but effective security feature. Connectivity is another strong point. The ThinkPad E16 offers two USB-C 3.2 ports, two USB-A 3.2 ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, an Ethernet port, and a headphone/microphone combo jack. This range of ports makes it easy to connect to multiple devices, external monitors, or networks without needing a separate hub or docking station. This laptop also comes with useful extras. A subscription to Microsoft Office is included, giving you immediate access to productivity tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Additionally, Lenovo bundles a WUXGA recovery USB, which simplifies troubleshooting and system recovery, saving time and reducing stress when technical issues arise. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 runs Windows 11 Pro, offering a modern, secure, and efficient operating system with business-focused tools. Battery life is impressive for such a powerful machine, capable of lasting through a full workday under typical conditions. Lenovo's efficient cooling system keeps the laptop cool and quiet, even under heavy workloads, ensuring consistent performance without overheating. In short, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 is more than just a laptop. It's a productivity powerhouse designed for the demands of modern work. With its powerful Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, massive memory, fast storage, brilliant display, robust security features, and extensive connectivity, it stands out as one of the best business laptops available in 2025. Whether you are a professional, a creator, or a student, the ThinkPad E16 delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and versatility, making it an excellent investment for anyone who values productivity and efficiency.